In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a video in Canva. We'll keep it simple, clear, and efficient so you can get your video looking perfect inside your design. Start by opening your Canva project. I'm working on a Facebook post canvas, but the same process applies to any design size you're using. Once you're on the editor page, look to the left sidebar and open the Uploads panel. This is where your media lives inside the project, and it's the quickest place to access the video you want to use. Find your video in the Uploads panel and double-click it. That action places the video directly onto your canvas so you can start adjusting it right away. If you prefer, you can also click once to highlight it and then add it to the page, but double-clicking is the fastest route. Now click the video on your canvas to make sure it's selected. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it with white circles on the edges and corners. These are your resize handles, and they're what you'll use to scale the video. To resize, place your cursor over one of the white circles at a corner, click and drag. Drag outward to make the video larger and inward to make it smaller. Using the corner handles keeps the proportions looking natural so your video doesn't appear stretched or squished. If you need to adjust just one dimension to match a layout, the side handles can help, but be mindful of distortion. As you drag, keep an eye on Canva's smart guides. Those purple alignment lines help you center the video or align it to edges so everything looks clean and intentional. You can also zoom in on the canvas for more precise control, especially when you're fitting the video tightly to the layout. Continue clicking and dragging until the video fits your design exactly the way you want it. If the video temporarily extends beyond the canvas while you scale, that's fine. Just keep adjusting until the edges line up with your layout. If you need to nudge the video into place after resizing, click and drag from the middle to reposition it. And remember, if something doesn't look right, use undo to step back and try again. Once the video fits your layout, play it back to make sure everything looks good within the frame. When you're happy, you're ready to continue designing or export your project as usual. That's all there is to